What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to simply better schedule, better plan, better strategy to do your posts, to write your posts in order to attract more organic traffic to your site, to your products, to your page, into a simple, fast, effective and free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to Google and type Answer the Public. AnswerThePublic.com, click on it. Then, right here, you're gonna type your product, your theme, the main theme of your site. Imagine, for example, that you are into the supplements niche and sell creatine. So, go to creatine. Just like this. Of course, this is just an example. Then choose the language of your site, choose the country where you are based, and click on search. You can sign up to get 3 searches per day. I'm gonna do this process. Now let's redo the search. Creatine, just like this. Let's wait for the results. We are loading data. This can take a few seconds. Here is the search volume, the cost per click. It's a very big click. Right here, we have a couple of questions from search engine, for AI models, for social media, for shopping. And right here, we have, if you have viewed the left sidebar of menus, search engine, social media, shoppings, and I recommend you to go to questions, okay? Because I want to increase the traffic of my blog. So scroll down, and right here we're gonna have organic search. What creatine does, what creatine is best, what creatine monohydrate does. So if you write 3 posts based on these 3 simple main keywords, you're gonna attract more traffic, okay? Simple, easy and effective. Try it out and let me know if it helps on your site. And of course, we are using search from Bing and from Google. But if you scroll down, you can see a couple of extra options. For example, people also ask in social media how people search for it, so you can name your videos into better formats, okay? In shopping, you can see what people search on shopping, for example, on Amazon. And it is using these keywords to plan your posts, you can attract more traffic. Easy, right? And it is. Let me know into the comments in the case that you need any help, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.